Okay, alrighty, guys. Hi, this is Michelle from Healthier Steps, and we're going live. We're going to be digging or harvesting our yam. So we're harvesting yam.
But I'm more than one.
Oh, and look at it. Let me go closer.
Yeah, I'm get the liquor shovel.
Yeah.
We're harvesting
The
yams.
liquor one.
Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Pull it.
Oh, don't tell me what's going on here. What's going on? The connection is not good. Why now the connection is not that good? The connection is not that great, but I want you to see all this yam. It's white yam, ain't it? Yeah, that's a white yam. It almost looks like sweet yam.
It almost looks like Vincent.
Like St. Vincent, ain't it? Oh, wow, look at that. Ooh, ooh, this connection getting bad again. That's yum, that's yum, that's yum. It's big, eh? This is St. Vince, we're not sure. White yam. White yam. Let me see. No, but is it sweet potato or yam? Or potato? No, you're getting potato up.
Michelle, look here. See it here? See it here?
It is yam. No, but look here.
It's yam.
But yam looks so red. I never see yam red so in my life. Wow, what are they? You see when it grow fresh?
You see it? Yeah. It gone down.
Really?
See, I tell you, you can get yam.
We're gonna have to plant way more next
So
season.
you say, broke off that one yourself?
You can work here, cut it, and then you can plant it back.
Oh, look at that. See, woo, look at that. Woo.
It have piece gone down, so.
Sure enough, yes.
That's gonna taste good with ackee.
Pull it up.
You got it? Yeah, that's yeah. Look at that. That looks good. Wow, yes, definitely white yam. Look at that. Looks pretty. Like, whoa. We have to plant more next year.
It's just a seed, you know.
Just a seed.
Just a seed you plant.
Oh, there's a seed. Some seed like this seed right here.
Yep.
Where is? There's a seed right there.
Look, see, I want another one there, so sister B, look there.
Yes. This look like
More yam.
That one here
it's
gone
like
down.
a shovel, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the shovel.
Probably it's little bit
Wow.
See if I could cut off
The top?
yes.
Yeah, just cut off the top. Wow, look at that.
This is what then plant that.
And you plant back that. Oh, good. Nice. Nice. Oh, this yam looks so fresh.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I
Go
tell you,
eat
I
good.
ate a little piece last week from my
For your?
garden, yes.
How was it?
And it's sweet
See, it's so
and nice.
sweet. Oh, guys, we are enjoying this. It's nothing like harvesting your own food, grown in your own soil, and you know it's natural. There's nothing like this. Look at that. This is so good. Oh, look at that. Come on, camera. Come on. Look at that. Right? It's so exciting.
That's a big one.
That's a big one. Good soil. We use like what? That black gold. What you call it? What you call that mulch or
Is that
the mushroom one? Black velvet. We use the black velvet. Welcome to our live. Come on in. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. We are harvesting yam.
No, man, no.
We are harvesting yam. And look at that. It's huge. Let me show you. Look at that. Well, I'm holding the camera. I'm enjoying it. This is so good. Look how big and look how... Share this live, share this video, share this video. Come on in, guys. Share this video. Thank you for joining us. Sunday morning. It's all here on LTS Steps. We are harvesting yam. It's like a potato. And you can see that you get a huge, they're large pieces. And you cook them just like you cook potato. And you can boil them, you can mash them. They're very high in fiber. They're very good for you. And look at the time of the year we're harvesting. This is January 2022. This is January 2, 2022. And we're here in sunny Florida harvesting. And it's so warm here, harvesting yam. And this is just so good. Easy to grow. Very easy to grow. Very nutritious. Great as a side dish. You can put it in soups. You can, and by the way, if you don't grow them yourself, that's all right. No, that's fine. If you don't grow them, you can always purchase these at the Caribbean supermarket. You can purchase them. Even Walmart carries yam. So this is a good. As a matter of fact, why am I turning the camera? I should have turned the camera the other way, ain't it? Messed up. I tried not thinking. I don't know. I can't change it now in mid-course.
That every one time when he dig one, him say he dig about 4 feet.
Yeah.
Really? Wow.
Him say it never fat. It just...
What are you guys doing? I'm so excited for 2022. Seeing what the lovely things we're gonna grow in the garden. I'm so excited. We're still harvesting a lot of produce from our garden, or gungo peas. Yeah, it's out. Yeah. Look at it, guys. That's a nice size. Oh yeah. This is so amazing. Look at it. Look at the yield. This is amazing. And that's just one plant. So thank you guys for joining me. Hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are. Please like, subscribe, share this video. Join our Healthier Steps family. We're so excited for 2022. And we'll be sharing with you. That's the rosemary almost. Almost killed the rosemary.
Kill the carrot and everything.
And this is what? Cactus. Ain't it? Look at that. Look at the cactus. I love that cactus.
This is kale.
Kale. Oh.
There's carrots.
And carrots. Woo! For the spring. Kale. Carrots. Awesome. We have so many lovely things going on. Next we'll be harvesting is our gungo peas. So let me walk you around and show you. I didn't bring my tripod, so it's going to be a little shaky. I'm going to share with you some of the things in the garden. This is our Scotch bonnet pepper for next year. Yesterday, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. This is gorgeous. This is what? Onion? Red onion. And
if we
more.
have Aki today, Michelle, Aki dumpling I am.
I have Aki. Oh, you didn't know I have Aki. I think we have one more can left.
Aki dumpling.
This is for sleep. What do you call it? Valerian. Valerian. This is valerian.
Wow, look at that.
This is our mango tree. And we have mango blossoming as well.
Sister B, you see the mango tree?
Yeah, the mango, 2 of them blossom. And then this is mint.
Yeah, make take it.
So we've been gardening this morning.
Yeah.
This is.
Take piece in, Sister B.
This is what? Some kind of fennel, probably. Oregano. If you know oregano. This is oregano. Lots of chives over there. This is turmeric.
So just rinse them out.
This is kale. Here we have kale. Lots of kale. That's borage. Borage oil is high in omega-3. fatty acids, and look at the beautiful flowers. I use them sometimes for decorating. This is Spanish thyme. This is our Spanish thyme. I love this. I mean, or oregano as well. It's the same family. It's great for the immune system. It's great for chest, anything we do with chest infections. Very good, and it's good in soups. I like to put this in my soups. I like to cook with it. And this is my parsley. See all those parsley? Parsley, very good for the kidneys. Good for putting in my seasoning, anything Italian. I like it in soups. On the far across over there, you can see there's thyme. I can't do without thyme. You see, I have to have a lot of thyme. I have to have a lot of herbs too. Welcome, welcome to my live. Thank you for joining. We're happy you're here. This is some kind of cabbage. And this is potato. This is potatoes. And lots of flat leaf parsley. Look at that. I need to come and harvest them. Lots and lots. I need to make more parsley dishes because lots. It's beginning to rain, so I guess we're not going to be out so longer. This is sage. And what's this one? This is cabbage. Cabbage. Sage. Is it sage? Yeah, sage. The leaf is soft. Cabbage. Strawberries for in the spring. I'm excited. And lots of cilantro. In Florida, cilantro does very, very well in the winter time. So we tend to grow, like summertime is really a downtime for us because it gets really hot. And we only can grow like Malabar spinach then. Callaloo does well then. So right now we're doing, that's collard greens. Lots of strawberries for in the spring. And more cabbage. Cabbage. Collard greens? Yeah. Oh, these are collard greens? Collard greens. Okay. I love collard greens. And cabbage. Oh, it is raining. And look at here. We have lots and lots of gungo peas. I can't wait. I love gungo peas. Or pigeon peas. And this is what I have that I really, really love. They're all falling off the ground. But we have a lot of passion fruit. So here's one that's fallen. I'm just going to show you it, passion. And I'm going to open it. Oh, hold on a minute. Hold on. I want to open it for you. Let me just rest the phone now. Just a minute. Okay. There you go. I'm back. That is juicy, sweet. Look at that. That's all so sweet and juicy. Look at that. I love passion fruit. So we've been gardening and getting our hands dirty and in the soil. So, okay, here now, what we have here. This is our lemongrass or fever grass. What's that you have? Tomatoes. Green tomatoes. You can fry them. Yeah. Okay, green tomatoes. Okay. So guys, this is just a little synopsis of our winter garden and just sharing with you what we're harvesting. And enjoy the rest of your day. We have lots of citruses. The orange tree is just filled with oranges, and that's on the other side. So have a wonderful day and join Healthier Steps family. Subscribe for many more amazing not only recipes but gardening. As we garden the whole of next year, we'll be showing you what we're doing. And this is a box garden that my husband built, so we're gonna build probably more. He's planning to build more, and so that we can control the soil. So guys, that's it. And here, if you've never seen this is susumba. See, we have a lot of susumba. We've eaten for the season, and these are what's left over. They're kind of bitter now when you get them this late. But, and this is shisho. This is very good, and that's tarragon. So lots of herbs I like to have a lot of herbs in my garden and vegetables, because food is for the healing of the nation. That's what our food is for. And what I like to do is just, I'm able to come out here, see? And I'm able to come out here and just pick fresh green onions, add it to my dishes if I want my rosemary for cooking. And we're going to be planting today onions and garlic today. And anyway, take care. Whenever my dear assistant wants to come on camera, she's laughing. I have to get her permission, and she can, if she wants to teach us. She's very, very knowledgeable. She's very, very well. If she wants to help teach us about gardening and how she's amazing. She's doing phenomenal in keeping the garden and just helping us. She's a blessing in our lives. Alrighty, bye. God bless you all. Bye. Bye. I have to figure out how to end this video. Oh, there it is. You're welcome.